Greetings everyone, my name is Colin Lippert. Originally, I was actually just a psychology major. It wasn't until just recently, I think last year, at the beginning of last year, I decided I need something else. I need to add something else to my program. So that's where communications came in, because psychology really helped me really understand people, but it didn't help me communicate with people, if that makes sense. I was left feeling blank, and I was scared that when I went out into the world that I wouldn't have the skills that I needed to communicate properly with the people that I need to in order to be successful. So I thought, I've already got a bunch of communications classes. What can I do to improve my chances? I'd have to say my main takeaway comes from the foundation of speaking. So before the communication program, I often found myself just talking, and then in the interim for waiting for the next person to speak, I would be strategizing about, okay, what am I going to say next to try and get what I want here? But I found that I was creating this, I was always just talking to myself. I was never listening to the other person. I was losing all the dialogue and all that was said in that dialogue and all the important things that come from that dialogue. I found that the communication program has helped me really take a look at what's being said from my end and as well as from the other end, which I think is really important when going into the world, because it's not just you talking to yourself out there, and you can't really get away with that. So I think the communication program has really helped me see the benefits of listening, and that's just something that cannot be replaced. Before I entered the communication program, I always felt like I was just driving without knowing where I was going. But once I found the communication program, I realized what I wanted to do as the end result. And I was going to organization development, and I realized that was going to take a lot of communication work. So that's where I decided communications major is something that I need to look into. So, in conclusion, I've changed the effects of the video in order to get the point across that after the completion of the communications program, I've started to see the world in a different light, and I'm much more excited about going and taking on organization development, with whether it's my skills in public speaking or my ability to listen better or making videos like this. I hope that my career will really show that I've taken in a lot from the communication program.